Well, I would have used the farm boss. I was, and then the chain fell off, and now I'm having some bar and chain trouble with the farm boss. So I got the little MS-170 to the rescue. Cut up some Douglas fir logs. Here's a bigger piece. And here's even a bigger piece. Yeah, we're right by the road. Yeah, what a shame that I'm having some bar and chain trouble with the farm boss. But at least I got the little one to help out. It's a good thing that I have a backup.